guys, welcome to Daisumaru channel. My name is Daisuke. Everybody call me Dai. Thank you for watching my video. I started this channel because I want to learn English and I want to practice my English. And I am currently practicing plant-based food. Plant-based is diet focus on plant-derived food. I am very happy you are interested in plant-based food through in this channel. Today I am going to show you how to make soy meat bowl that everyone likes. In Japan, this is often one of the accompanying dishes in bento. Today, I use soy meat instead of ground pork. Soy meat made of soybeans, so it is so healthy and I like very much. And this recipe is very simple and not taking time to make. Please try to make it. This dish don't use animal foods, so it is very healthy and very delicious. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe to my channel. Then let's get started!